Hello everyone, welcome back to Kitchen Moods. Today I will be making crunchy cauliflower and egg salad. The ingredients of this delicious recipe will be 250 grams of cauliflower cut in small pieces, I will cook my cauliflower. Today I am boiling my cauliflower, but you can also steam it or even roast it. The time of cooking will vary between 5 and 15 minutes depending how well cooked you like your cauliflowers. Add salt to taste and leave it cook. Once cooked, move away from heat and strain well. Then place it in a deep medium bowl. Boil 2 eggs for 5 minutes and set it aside until it cools down. Meanwhile, I'll prepare my crispy topping. I'll need 1/3 of a cup of almond flour or 40 grams, 25 grams of crushed walnuts, 2 tablespoons of butter. In a small pan, I will melt the butter and add to it the almond flour. Then I will mix and stir, roasting the almond flour until it becomes golden brown. Don't forget to add salt and pepper to taste and also any other favorite spice you like to add. This won't take long. Make sure you move away from heat as soon as it becomes golden to golden brown. It can become too dark in a matter of seconds. Now that my eggs have cooled down, I will peel them and cut them in slices and add them to my cauliflower. Then I will add the crispy topping to the cauliflowers and eggs. Then I will add my crushed walnuts. And I have my nutritious salad ball ready. This salad ball is so versatile. You can eat it just as is or add your preferred condiment, mayonnaise, hot sauce, mustard, any type you prefer. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Macros and ingredients will be listed down below in the description box. And until the next time.